This is the Tharparkar district in Sindh, which is also known as Thar. Thar is the largest desert area in Pakistan. This is Thar, where we come in our four-wheel drives to hunt and kill wildlife. This is Thar, where we catch beautiful birds to sell it to other parts of the country. This is Thar, where we quarry expensive marble and other stones from the mountains. This is a Thar, where most people live below the poverty line, with no water supply or electricity or transport or schools or hospitals. This is a Thar, where women and children travel miles every day to find drinking water. This is Thar, where some of the indigenous people are treated worse than animals and they spend their lives in bonded labor. This is Thar, where some corrupt NGOs misuse the money they are given to help poor people. "20 years ago, a local Thari engineering student, Mr. Wali Muhammad Ramu, discovered coal in his deprived part of Sindh. A survey showed that over 200 billion tons of coal lie hidden under Thar. This is enough to supply Pakistan with electricity of over 300 years. It will give a huge boost to Pakistan's economy. Now, mining companies from China, Australia, Czechoslovakia, and other countries are very interested in Thar. The Thar coal project is still a very early stage. Work has begun near the Islam Court area. This is a very old Thari village next to the coal project. I asked people whether the project would make their lives better. I was shocked to find that the local people were gaining no benefit.
ॿियो साईं इहो अर्ज़ु आहे त असांजो ॻोठु जेको आहे इलाही घणनि सदियुनि खां पोइ जेको पुराणो ॻोठु आहे हिते ऐं ग़रीब आवाम वेठी आहे पंहिंजो कंहिंजो ॿनी ॿारो आहे कंहिंजो माल मटो आहे इहो वीचारा सफ़र गुज़र करनि पिया तंहिंखां पोइ हीअ वरी हींअर कोयलो निकितो आहे त कोयलो निकिरण में असांजी वॾी ख़ुशी थी आहे। असां राज़ी आहियूं ख़ुशि आहियूं बिरल भले कोयलो निकिरे असांजी बि रोज़गारी थींदी ग़रीबनि जी ऐं हिते असीं ग़रीब माण्हू वेही हिन जे आसिरे मज़ूरी कयूं था असांखे मज़ूरी नथी मिले त पोइ असांखे कहिड़ो फ़ाइदो आहे हिन में। इन खां हिते असांजो इहे राज ॾिनोसीं सरकार ज़मीन ॾिनीसीं हिन में असांखे त कोई फ़ाइदो कोन मिले। ॿाहिरि मुल्क जा जेको माण्हू अचनि पिया हू कमाए हुननि खे कमाए सुठे नमूने सां मिले बि इज़त सां असांखे को बि फ़ाइदो नथो मिले। इन ॻाल्हि में महिरबानी करे असांजे लाइ कुझु कोशिशि कयो वञे असां ग़रीबनि जो कुझु अहसासु कजो महिरबानी करे।
सिंधी जाऊं तो असां को तो जारा जैनी है ये आसरे मथे हो मजूरी असां जुड़े गरीब माण्हू कमाने वालो हिकु कोन आका घणी।
The government said that local people would have a priority for work in the Tharkol project. So why are the companies working there not taking on local people? Tharkol belongs to the Sindh government. The people of Sindh should benefit first. But the federal government is trying to take control with the help of some corrupt Sindhi bureaucrats and the blood-sucking feudal lords who have never helped the local people. Two Sindhi barristers, Mr. Zamir Ghumru and Mr. Mustafa Mahesar, have lodged a petition at the High Court, claiming that the government of Sindh should have control over the coal in Thar, and the federal government should not interfere. But the High Court is deliberately delaying the case. The local community is happy to see the area developed, but wants a guarantee of jobs. Sindh already has a bitter experience of interference from the federal government in natural gas projects and oil projects and other natural resources. Workers are recruited from other parts of Pakistan with no jobs for local people. The project areas even become no-go areas for them. We all know that Pakistan has a severe energy crisis. Sindh is ready to provide the coal, but who will protect the rights of the poor people of Thar? Who will make sure that this huge Thar coal project will lead to a better life for the Thari people?
पुछंदे रोई पवंदो रोई पवंदो रोई पवंदो रोई पवंदो बरदड़ा बरजो हाल जे पुछंदे बरदड़ा बरजो हाल जे पुछंदे रोई पवंदो रोई पवंदो रोई पवंदो रोई पवंदो। Mirga परमत वारा